Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Wheresoever you go, go with all your heart. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Life is a journey, and if you fall in love with the journey, you will be in love forever. It does not matter how tall you are, but how well you stand tall. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. It is better to light one small candle than to curse the darkness. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, the man who does not is a fool for life. The cautious seldom err. It is easy to hate and it is difficult to love. This is how the whole scheme of things works. All good things are difficult to achieve, and bad things are very easy to get. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be a failure. Study the past if you would define the future. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. By three methods we may learn wisdom. First, by reflection, which is noblest. Second, by imitation, which is easiest. And third, by experience, which is the bitterest. The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, the man who does not is a fool for life. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. The more man meditates upon good thoughts, the better will be his world and the world at large. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, the man who does not is a fool for life. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help somebody.